Meaning of home page.
Home page.
Home page.
Home page.
Home page. A home page is the main web page of a website that serves as a starting point for navigating through the site's content. It usually contains links to other pages within the site and may also feature important announcements, news, or promotions. A well-designed home page helps visitors quickly find what they're looking for and encourages them to explore further. It should provide a clear and concise overview of the website's purpose and content, be visually appealing, and load quickly. Home pages are an essential component of any website and play a crucial role in attracting and retaining visitors.